Hello, and welcome to week 1 of biotechnology. This week is really meant to get you familiar with the course, our course expectations, the setup of Canvas, how to submit assignments, and how to complete the course successfully. The 3 essential questions that we're going to aim to answer this week are: how does DNA provide instructions for all of our cells' activities? How do mutations in DNA affect us at an organismal level? What role do proteins play in our body? And finally, how does DNA affect protein structure and function? In this week's live session, Gene Expression and Drug Development, we're going to look at how DNA codes for the structure of proteins and how that structure informs the function of those proteins within our bodies. We're going to talk about how changes in those proteins or human disease and our understanding of those can inform drug development. The live session this week is a duplicate, so you only need to attend one. And before you attend the live session, make sure that you have visited the front page of our course and also the live session pre-quiz. Some other key activities that you'll be participating in this week include a discussion that analyzes the use of human cells for profit. You're going to complete a virtual lab that explores gene expression, and you're going to work on a team to analyze how a specific gene mutation can alter an individual's phenotype. The resources you'll need for this week include the weekly agenda or pacing guide. These will help you know what you need to do for when, the weekly checklist at the end of each week, and then finally me. Please feel free to email me at catherine.masick@tiponline.duke.edu with any questions or concerns as you navigate the module. Thanks for your participation so far. I'm looking forward to a great first week.